another one.
AWS certification newbie laid off. Says, hey all, recently was laid off due to a reduction in force. I am a solution architect with little experience with AWS and a good amount of experience in Azure. I'm under the impression that having the SA certificate will greatly improve my marketability. Thoughts on that? I also have about 7 weeks severance, so looking to get the cert within that time. Does that sound doable? What classes are best? Best practice exam sites? Thank you for all your help. Well, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this one because I don't have my solutions architect certification, but I can fumble and bumble across I can stumble across AWS and get what I need done. But I would say so here's my general thinking about it, right? If you're familiar with Azure, I think you would be able to understand AWS well enough to port a lot of information. I would say, just find a Udemy course. I'd say find a Udemy course on AWS Solutions Architect, where it will be more focused on what you need to know for the test, and it'll show you how to do it as well. But I think because you know Azure, it might come a little bit easier to you to understand, like just knowing the terminology from AWS and how to where to navigate for it might be like the learning curve. But how to actually do this stuff, I don't think it would be too complicated. And then you could also wait a second. Stephanie's leaving. All right, we have to send Stephanie off. Thank you for being here tonight, Stephanie. I really, really appreciate you. We will get back to work tomorrow. So to say goodbye to Stephanie, we will say,
I appreciate you. We the best.
And
I mean, all we do is win, man. You know that.
Have a wonderful, wonderful night, Stephanie, and I will talk to you tomorrow. All right. So, like I was saying, with the AWS, yeah, I don't think it'd be too hard to port over. I think 7 weeks is more than enough time. Zoom, like when a lot of classes that I do, I listen to them on 2x, right? Maybe I have ADD and I can't sit and listen to people who talk slowly. I don't know, but that's what I do. And if you get a course on Udemy for AWS, they'll have practice exams and everything like that, and I'm sure they'll link you to more practice exams as well. So I would definitely look into that. But yeah, so that's what I would say. Yep, and sorry about you getting laid off, but I think that you are in good shape with your experience with Azure, and just port that knowledge over, know how to navigate, know how to answer questions about it, and whatever. If you just search for AWS certification on Udemy, for instance, or Coursera, whatever platform of your choice, you'll be in good shape. All right. So shout out to that, and I wish you the best of luck. All right.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.
Enigmatic Joker.